Hello student, welcome to our standard 7 mathematics lesson number 12 algebraic expressions. In today's sessions we can complete our exercises 1 to 4. Here is the question number 1 of exercise 12.1. You can get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using the variables, constants and arithmetic operations. 1 to 8 are given. 1 by 1 we can say subtract of z from y. 1/2 of the sum of the number x and y. It's a very simple, y minus z. Second one is a x plus z or x plus y, whatever is given, and divide by 2. Number of z multiplied by itself, so that into z, which gives a z square. 1/4 of the product of number p and q, so 1 into 1 upon 4 multiplied by p into q. Number x and y both squared and added, x square plus y square, easy. Number 5 added to the 3 times the product of m and n, so mn into 5, isn't it? And write the 5 before the number. Numbers are written before and then after add up also 5. 3 times means 3 mn plus 5. Product of number y and z subtracted from 10. 10 minus y into z. Last one, sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. तो a b के प्रोडक्ट में से उसको subtract कर देने का है. Clear? Very nice. So here you can find out the a b minus a plus b. Addition को minus कर देने का है. Question number 2. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Shown the terms and factors by the diagrams. 1 a x minus 3, b 1 plus x square. Second one, identify the terms also. First one, x minus 3, isn't it? Yes, the 3 factors, x and 3 are the factors. X having the x and 1, minus 3 is having the minus 1 and 3. 1 plus x square. 3 terms are there, 1 x and x square. 1 का टर्म हो गया बेटा 1 1, x का टर्म हो गया x into 1, x square का हो गया x into 1, but we are writing now x, don't need to write 1. So 1 we are not writing for anyone, as for showing only I am writing, but whenever you are the showing minus 1, minus y cube is the 4 factors, minus 1, y and y, isn't it? Clear? So here you can find out the 3 terms. Okay, look at the fourth one also very easily. Factors of minus 4x and 5, minus 4x and 5 and y. 5y plus 3y square. Yes, my dear student, terms are there 5y and 3y square. Factors are 5y and semicolons 3y, y. Isn't it? Correct. D. xy and 2x square y square. x का एक factor आ गया बेटा x and y. Semicolon 2x, then after x, y and y, or you can separate it to x also possible. So whatever the answers is not final one, you can check out yourself also. pq plus q, pq are the 2 terms, pq and q terms. Factors are also given, 3 upon 4x plus 1 upon 4. So 3 upon 4x and 1 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 x and second term is a 1 upon 4. Isn't it? Clear? Correct. Now look at here, one table is given. Question number 3. Expressions, terms and numerical coefficient. 5 minus 3t square. Correct. So coefficient is minus 3. Here is the 1 t square t cube. Yes, very good beta. 1 by 1 with red color I am showing which are the terms and which are the numerical coefficients. Only numbers we have to write. Okay, for coefficient, not any other one. Correct. 2 terms are there, p square q squares plus 7pq. We can write it 7pq also. Now look at the question number 4. Answer is here. Can you see it here clearly? Oh, I see. You are having the problem to check out the red signs. But beta, just see pause the video and you can check out. 1 plus x plus yx or xy, both are the same. So x is a 1, xy is a y. x के साथ जो है वो लिखने का बेटा. Yes, 12y square एक्स वाई स्क्वायर इज वाई के साथ क्या है, एक्स के साथ क्या है, यू हैव टू चेक आउट. 7x देन ओनली 7 विल बी द आंसर फॉर सेवंथ वन. 6 1 में क्या है बेटा 12x square y square, so 12y square is the answer. X y square, that's only x के साथ क्या है y square, that is a y square is a coefficient of the x. It's a clear, it's a so simple. Now expressions terms contains the y square, उसका y square का coefficient कौन है आपको लिखने का है. Clear? Okay, look at the big screen is here. Expressions and type of polynomials, binomial, monomial or trinomial. We already discussed in our introduction sessions. We are knowing single term means monomial, double term means binomial, and three terms means trinomial. Question number 6. State whether a given pair of terms of the like terms. Like term किसकी है? Pair of the terms like or unlike. Like terms, unlike terms, क्योंकि इसमें पहले में x है, दूसरे में y है. तीसरा चौथा क्वेश्चन 14xy and yx both are the like terms. Alternate changing allowed. Yes, unlike term m square p and mp square both are the different one. Isn't it? Unlike term also. So question number 7 on your screen. Identify like terms in the followings. Like terms are given from this one, minus xy square or 2xy square. Together we can say second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth terms are like terms, and 7 are unlike terms. You see, A and B are the answers on your screen. You can check out better. Correct. Very good. Here we end up our first exercise 12.1. 7 question already over. Look at the 12.2. My dear student, 12.2 is also so simple one. Simplify the combining like terms. Like term के साथ like term को प्लस करना है और माइनस करना है. फर्स्ट आंसर 21 plus 7 28 minus 20b minus 32. 28 में से 20 के कितना बचा बेटा 8. So 8b minus 32 is the answer. z स्क्वायर से साथ z स्क्वायर, z के साथ z और नंबर के साथ नंबर है तो नंबर लगा देने का. क्लियर? एंड फाइनलाइज you are having. Whenever you are opening the bracket, minus sign is there, so inside the sign will be changed. Yes, p minus q is the final answer. A plus ab is the final answer. Isn't it? Okay. Now look at here. Next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is here. But before that, I want to clarify fifth and sixth one. 8x square y plus 8xy square minus 4x square minus 7y square. How it came? By adding like term with like term, unlike term with unlike terms. Like terms only will add up, unlike term will remain the as it is. Isn't it? And last sixth question answer is 4y square minus 3y minus 0. So only we can say 4y square minus 3y. Isn't it? Correct. Look at the question number 2. Question number 2's answers are given here. 3mn minus 5mn, 8mn minus 4mn. Isn't it? Correct. So 3 minus 5 plus 8 minus 4 mn is equal to 2mn. All together we can say plus, or you can do whatever the plus you add up, whatever the minus you add up all the minus, and then after at last you can subtract it. Plus minus you can subtract it. That is also another method. You can check out here. I am writing with the green color. Yes, like terms method, or you can do directly. I already taught you in your introduction session addition and subtraction of the numbers. You see? So here I am writing very small handwriting, just giving an idea how to solve these types of sums. In next sessions in our Google Meet, we can discuss clearly what we have to understand. You see? Clear. Check out one by one all the terms. Add up one by one like terms. Yes, 5pq plus 20. Correct. 3 minus 10 plus 7, which gives you a 0. So p square q square will be 0. Next one, AB wala, minus 4a, 4b minus ab. At last you can get the 0. Last example, 10th one, x square minus y square. Yes, my dear student, correct. Question number 3 of 12.2, subtract minus 5y square from y square. But here you can take out. किसमें से किसको माइनस करना है? y square में से minus 5y square. Is it? So here minus will give you a this one minus and this one also minus. So y square plus 5y square. Total is 6y square. Is it? See, 6y square is the answer. Next one also, minus 12xy minus 6xy. Minus 12xy minus 6xy will give you a minus 18xy. Both numbers are negative, will add up. A plus b minus a minus b in bracket is given. So a plus b as it is, minus sign will be changed inside bracket sign. A plus था वो minus बन गया, minus b था वो plus बन गया. So a minus a plus b plus b. So total a will cut, 2b is the answer. Same way for third, fourth and fifth. Same rule is there. We can go through it. My dear student, be careful. You are sometimes become a not interested of these types of things because it's tedious work. Tedious means same to same work are coming. But when you put your interest and try to find out one by one small steps, you will put your interest and this lesson will become enjoyable. Is it? Because if you are running from these lessons, we create a problem in higher classes. That's why these types of number of examples and number of sums are given in the exercise. So don't be afraid, don't be panic. Try to write one by one all the answers. If you are not interested, leave up for a 2 minutes or 5 minutes and again you can refresh yourself and continue for solving doubts. Is it? This is the best idea to understand this lesson, algebraic expression. Question number 4. What should be added to x square plus xy plus y to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? My dear student, here we are knowing how to get the answers. Final answer is given, one number is given and they are asking that what we should have to add. तो उसे उल्टा सोचने का बेटा. फाइनल आंसर में से क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो नया मिलेगा. तो पहले को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो तो दूसरा मिल जाएगा. तो आपके पास आंसर है let p should be added. So let we can say p is on the left side and whatever the things will be transposed to the right side. So x square plus xy plus y square plus p is equal to 2x square plus 3xy already given from the question. p को लेफ्ट साइड रखा, बाकी को सबको राइट साइड जाने दिए बेटा, तो वो माइनस हो जाएगा, एडिशन है वो सब्ट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा. एट लास्ट यू कैन गेट x स्क्वायर माइनस y स्क्वायर प्लस 2x स्क्वायर y. b लेट q शुड बी सब्ट्रैक्टेड. बेटा उसमें q p x कोई भी ले सकते हैं एक्सप्रेशंस variables. Here unknown number x p variables we are keeping and find out that value q is equal to 5a plus b minus 6. Question number 5. What should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20. Let be q should be subtracted. उसमें से q को subtract करना है बेटा. q को subtract करेंगे, उसके साइड पे भेज दिया, सबका माइनस कर दिया. Clear? Okay. Now question number 6. From the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11, subtract 3x minus y minus 11. According to the questions, we can make it in brackets and then after simplified. After simplifying, we will get minus y plus 11. B. Same way, we can put in brackets, a square bracket and then the rounded brackets. 2x plus 4 will be the final answer. Check out one by one. Correct. Minus y plus 11. What about this one? B. Same one. Like terms we have to make it together and find out the solutions with the bracket. Square brackets, are there positive or negative? And at last you can subtract it. Minus 2x square minus minus become plus 3x minus 5 plus and minus minus 5. And then after you can cut it. Look at here 12.3. Exercise 12.3. Question number 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of m is minus 2. 3m minus 5, 9 minus 5m, 3m square minus 2m minus 7 5m by 2 minus 4. Putting the value m is equal to 2. When you find the m, you can add the 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. 3m minus 5, that is 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 5, that is a 1. 9 minus 5m, 9 into 5 into 2 is a 10. 9 minus 10, that gives a minus 1. 3m square minus 2m minus 7. So m की जगह पे 2 लगा दिया बेटा. 3 m की जगह पे 2, 2 to 4, 4 3 12. 12 minus 4 minus 7. कितना गया? minus 4 and minus 7 minus 11. So 12 minus 11 gives a 1. 5m upon 2 minus 4. So m की जगह पे 2 लगा दिया. 5 2 10. 10 by 2, that is a 5. 5 minus 4 will give you a 1. Easy? Ha ha ha. Yes, yes. Now you put your interest. In last exercise, you become a tedious. But now we are more interested to understand these things. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of this one. 4p plus 7. Same questions. Do you want to see it? Yes, very good question here beta. Minus 3p square. p square की जगह पे बेटा minus 2 square. Minus 2 into minus 2. That gives you plus 4. 3 का मतलब है बेटा minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4 into minus 2 once again minus 8. Whenever you are the odd power, odd raised twos, that gives you a negative numbers, only negative. I will not explain now anything. You can get it idea and try to understand all the 3 examples. Solve exercise question number 2. Very good. Question number 3 of exercise 12.3. Find the value of the following expressions when x is equal to minus 1. बेटा इधर भी आपको कुछ करने का नहीं है, सिर्फ x की जगह पे minus 1 डाल देने का. I cannot explain more regarding this one. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 and minus 7 together it will give you a minus 9. In bracket you can write put x is equal to minus 1. Yes, very good beta. Second, third and fourth. Okay, all correct answer. Question number 4. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 2, find the values of this one. A square plus b square, a square plus ab plus b square, a square minus b square. बेटा a की जगह पे 2, b की जगह पे minus 2 रख के सब जगह पे आपको कर देने का है. Because here both the variables are given together. a and b को साथ में रखा है. Clear? Question number 5. A is equal to 0 and b is equal to minus 1. Same type of expressions. Same type of value, but here value is 0 and minus 1. Try to understand and solve easily. You will get a full marks in this chapter. These types of sums will come in exam. Don't afraid. Easiest lessons of 7th standard. Yes, my dear student, x into 0 will give you a 0. Any number into 0 will give you a 0. 0 plus 0 plus 2 will give you a 2 only. Question number 6. Simplifying the expressions and find the value of x is equal to 2. x का वैल्यू देने के बेटा कुछ नहीं करने का, नया टाइप का क्वेश्चन आ गया है. You just have to put the is equal to 2. x plus 7 plus 4x minus 5 which gives you a x plus 7 plus 4x minus 20. Isn't it? Now put the x is equal to 2. Yes, my dear student, 5 to the 10 minus 13 which gives a 10 minus 13 minus 3 is the answer. First of all, simplified the expression, then after put the value of 2. X is equal to 2. Where you can find x, add 2 or put the value of x 2. 4 into 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. 8x minus 4 plus 3x plus 11. 8x minus 4 and 3x. So add 3x first. 8 plus 3, 11x plus 7. Yes, and then x is equal to 2. At last you will get a 29. 11 to the 22 plus 7 which gives you a 29. Okay, question number 7. Simplify these expressions and find their values of x is equal to 3, a is equal to minus 1 and b is equal to minus 2. Here 3 values are given. Don't afraid about anyone. Where you can find the variables, you just add the values. a की जगह पे a रखो, b की जगह पे b और x की जगह पे x. Easy? Correct. Look at the question number 7 expressions. Answers are here on your screen. Correct. Perfect. Very good beta. B is equal to minus 2. Now here a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 2. Because in here last 5th example, a and b both variables are given. Don't afraid about anyone. Question number 8. If z is equal to 10 and find the value of z square minus 3z minus 10, z cube, sorry. P is equal to minus 10. When is the p square minus 2p minus 100? Ten cube, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. 10 minus 10, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 1000 minus 0, 1000. 10 square minus 10 square is equal to 100. 100 plus 20 minus 100. 20 is the answer. Question number 9. What should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x is equal to 0? Very simple. Equal to 5 दे दिया बेटा. Whenever a is equal to minus 5, then and then only we will get this expression is equal to 5. otherwise it is not possible. Ten number question. Simplify the expressions and find its value when a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. 2 into a square plus ab bracket over plus 3 minus ab. My dear student, just opening the bracket 2a square plus 2sb plus 3 minus ab. Yes, my dear student. Now look at the last exercise, 12.4 exercise, question number 1. Observe the pattern of the digits made from the line segments of equal length. You will find such segmented digits on the display of electronic watches और कैलकुलेटर. 6 बनाने के लिए 6 में 6 चाहिए, 11 बना, डबल 6 बनाने के लिए आपको 11 चाहिए, 3 6 बनाने के 16 चाहिए और 21 like that way. So what the common pattern is here? 5n plus 1. 5 to the 10 plus 1 11. 3 के लिए 5 is the 15 plus 1 16 है. 5 के लिए 5 is 25 plus 26. So here 26 will come next one. 4 एक 4 बनाने के 4, 2 4 बनाने के 7, 3 4 बनाने के 10 और 13. So 3n plus 1. 8 के लिए पहले 7 स्टिक चाहिए बेटा, बराबर है. 7 स्टिक्स आपने लगा दी. 2 के लिए 12 चाहिए सिर्फ आपको. ओके 17. So 5n plus 2. Correct. Very good, very good. So whatever the patterns you are going to prepare, these are called the variables, or we can make the expressions. Take the any variable 5x, okay, no problem, plus 1, or you can say 100 if you want to make it, you can possible. 10 6 बनाने के कितना चाहिए बेटा? 6 10 जा 5 10 जा 50 plus 1 51 100 6 6 6 बनाने का बेटा आपको. ये 6 6 6 6 100 टाइप्स बनाने का साथ में. तो कितना चाहिए बेटा? 501 स्टिक्स चाहिए आपको. 4 है, 4 5 बनाने के लिए आपको 16 स्टिक्स चाहिए. ओके टुगेदर. और 10 बनाने के लिए बेटा 31 और 100 के लिए 301. यस 8 के लिए कितना चाहिए पहले? यस 5n plus 2 27. 10 बनाने के लिए 52 और 100 बनाने के लिए 502 sticks are needed to make a 108. Have you found the answers? It is clarified here. Question number 2. Use the given algebraic expressions to complete the table of the number pattern. 100th one, 10th one, dot dot dot. Will you put it here or not? N is equal to 100. Correct. 199. 200 minus 1 is equal to 199. फर्स्ट में 199 आ गया बेटा. सेकंड में 5 के लिए ढूंढने का है, 10 के लिए और 100 के लिए, तीनों के लिए ढूंढने का है. 3n plus 2. फिफ्थ 5 3 15 plus 2 17. 10th के लिए यस 32. 100 के लिए यस माय डियर स्टूडेंट करेक्ट 302. सेम वे 4n plus 1. 5th टर्न के लिए 20 plus 1 21 और 10 के लिए 40 plus 41. यस करेक्ट 7n plus 20. सेम वे n square plus 1 बेटा. n square plus 1 nothing is there beta, but n means 5th term. 5 has a 25 plus 1 26. Sometimes we are seeing this video in mobile. You can check out the terms in detail. What will be the 10th term, what will be the 100th term, 1000 term and 1. 10,000 and 1. n की जगह पे हमने रख दिया 100 into 100, 10,000 and plus 1, 10,000 and 1. 2n minus 1. पहली टर्म कितनी, दूसरी टर्म कितनी, तीसरी टर्म कितनी, वी ऑलरेडी सीन. So we end up our 12 lesson. Thank you once again. Say bye bye.